Dad, I was thinking about it, and money is just paper. Or a number in a computer. Why does anyone accept it for real things like food and a house?
You just stumbled into one of the deepest questions in economics. Money is one of humanity's greatest inventions and also one of the most fragile things we all agree to believe in together.
Fragile. That is not a reassuring word for the thing my whole life runs on.
Before money, barter. You have fish, I have grain, we trade. Problem, I need to want your fish exactly when you want my grain. Double coincidence of wants. Incredibly limiting.
What if I am a dentist and I want shoes but the shoemaker has perfect teeth?
You do not trade. Money solves this. Dentist accepts money from patients, uses money to buy shoes from shoemaker who never needed dental work. Money is stored value that transfers freely. Free properties. Medium of exchange, accepted for transactions. Store of value, holds worth over time. Unit of account, everything priced in it. Gold worked for centuries. Paper works because governments back it.
Bitcoin wants to be all three. Is it?
Medium of exchange, limited. Store of value, arguable, very volatile. Unit of account, almost none. It is an asset class today, not yet money in the full sense. But it is trying. Modern money is fiat. From Latin for let it be done. No gold backing since 1971. The dollar is valuable because the US government says it is and because 330 million Americans and most of global trade agree.
So it is literally a shared agreement. A social contract. If everyone stopped believing simultaneously.
Hyperinflation. Zimbabwe 2008. Weimar Germany 1923. When people lose faith in currency faster than they can spend it, the agreement collapses. Trust is the actual asset backing every dollar. One of the most important ideas in finance, a dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow. Time value of money. You can invest today's dollar. Risk exists. Inflation erodes purchasing power.
So holding cash is always slightly losing, because money today beats money later?
Every dollar of idle cash is a small slow loss to inflation. Money is meant to move. That is why investors invest, businesses deploy capital, and economies reward people who put money to productive use. Money is a shared belief that solves the double coincidence problem. Fiat currency is backed by trust and government. Time value of money means today's dollar beats tomorrow's.
Money is shared belief. The most valuable thing on earth is made of trust. That is both beautiful and terrifying.
Welcome to economics. Stay for the existential dread.